Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how to make earrings on your own by molded clay. First we have to mix the two components of the molded clay with the help of corn flour. Then we have to mix some amount of blue color with it so that we can give a marble effect to our earrings. We need to have one part of the clay without the blue color and one part with the blue color. Then we need to roll the two parts as shown. Then follow the steps which I am doing. For coloring the earrings, I'll be showing the steps and the colors which are used, so you can follow it. Now draw some leopard prints on it. Now we need to apply a layer of varnish on these earrings so that the color doesn't wear off. After the coloring has been completed, we need to combine the different parts of the earrings by the things mentioned here. So finally our handmade earrings are ready. Hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. And also don't forget to like, share